2, 3.
Girlfriend Katie is very pretty. My girlfriend Katie is very shy. I have a feeling she was meant for me. Katie's my girlfriend and I am her guy. My girlfriend Katie is very happy, and I will tell you the reason why. Say my Katie and I will marry. I'll be her husband and she'll be my bride. I am. Kasieńka mnie bardzo kocha, moja Kasieńka mnie bardzo chce. Moja Kasieńka dla mnie wybrana, moja Kasieńka, kochanie moje. Moja Kasieńka jest bardzo piękna, moja Kasieńka mnie całuje. Dla mnie wybrana, moja Kasieńka, kochanie moje. Hey, hey, hey! That's moja Kasieńka, my girlfriend Katie, huh? Well, what do you want to do? You want to